Nazi peg, all right?
What's up?
Our adventure is beginning.
It's the Wicked Explorers. We are heading to New York City. It is
Whoop, whoop. Happy 4th.
almost midnight.
It's Independence Day.
Almost Oma's birthday.
Happy birthday, Oma.
It is, we're in Boston right now. We are heading to South Station, take a bus. The adventure started tonight with us getting into a car that wasn't an Uber. And the guy goes,
said, nope, nope,
nope.
nope.
So that was an interesting start for the adventure.
Look at that red building.
That is the South Station. That's where we're going.
Yeah, let's turn around and do a selfie.
That is, there you go, the red building.
Right there.
South Station. That's where we're going to get the bus. We met with Eric and his lady friend.
She was nice and sweet
And
cute.
Eric hopefully is going to get his ding dong played with.
We'll hope.
Everyone's rooting for him.
Go, Eric, go, Eric, go, Eric.
And
I gave her the seal of approval by the Suzi.
which is about as good as a badge you get from the vending machine at a roast beef restaurant for being a job.
My approval is very important, especially with all of you boys.
Yeah, it says a girl who's wearing this fucking backpack.
Look.
Yeah, exactly. She looks like she's
This
carrying.
has all of my essentials.
She looks like she's carrying insulin because she has diabetes and she needs to constantly have it on her. I don't know what she's carrying in there, people. I have no idea. All I know is
I have my phone. I have my makeup. I have my keys.
Oh.
I have my charger.
Oh.
I have chapstick.
Oh.
Possibly some sunscreen.
Oh. Because she's very.
Who knows what else?
She's very fair-skinned. She's in the sun for 1.5 hours. She'll turn into a lobster. Although she does claim that back in the day she used to tan pretty well.
I was. I'll show you pictures. There's pictures at my mother's house.
Pictures at her mother's house. Alright, so we gotta find some kind of snack dispensary.
I need some snackadoodles.
And then we're gonna head over to get the bus. We have a 1 o'clock in the morning bus to NYC. Should be there by 5:30 to the latest.
In New York.
Oh god, I hope this broad sleeps. Otherwise, I'm not gonna be able to
Concrete
function.
jungle where dreams are made of.
We'll see you soon.
See you soon, toodaloo.
All right, so we got our goodies. We're at South Station right now. We have looks like, well, the bus leaves in about 40 minutes. I want to get there about 10 minutes just to make sure we're there in time. It is hot. It is humid. It is more muggy here in Boston right now than it is any time I've ever been to Florida. The only time it's been this muggy that I can remember is being in New Orleans in the summertime. Is in Sioux. It is hot. I'm sweating. I don't know what's wrong with the air conditioner. Half these bars in Boston are not working, but we're doing our best to survive here. In about 5 hours. Hopefully I haven't been able to sleep. We'll be in New York. And we have a list of shit we're gonna take over today. We're gonna go see the High Line, which is an old abandoned train track. They turn into like a green space, the tramway, and some other stuff. So there she is. She made it.
Made it.
We made it.
We made it.
Yeah, it's 5 o'clock in the morning. We are on 42nd Street. We're going to Times Square. We're gonna start our adventure.
I have heartburn.
And she has heartburn.
And I'm freezing.
And I'm not drunk anymore. I sobered up. We seem to be very early today on everything. There she is. Percolating and drinking her coffee. We're gonna do the High Line. I'll be in the train railroad over there, but it doesn't open until 7. It's 6:30 right now, so killing some time till then.
Hi.
It's starting to get muggy already. It's like probably 80 degrees at this point. Very humid.
High 70s.
High 70s. Are you a meteorologist?
I am.
Oh.
I learned from my mother.
That building right there. I'm trying to figure out what the hell that is. It's like an art sculpture.
That crazy building.
Yeah.
I wonder if you can like walk it.
No, it's like scaffolding. I think they're building the building. Yeah, they're building that building. If you zoom in, it's all the construction. I bet it's gonna make a giant. It looks like a bottom of an egg. It looks like a giant egg. This building's a wild over here. You're like seeing the trees. There's the Empire State Building right there. At the end of the street. It's a big boat.
Very big boat.
It's the USS Intrepid. I think it's a aircraft carrier? Yeah, it has to be. It has the aircrafts on it. Barely see it through the sun over there. You got a better angle right there. It's a big old boat. Well, after 3 attempts, we finally made it up here.
Thank God. Whew. I'm out of shape.
At least this is in the shade.
Yes.
We were on the High Line, which is an old abandoned train tracks. They turned into a park. And we're gonna walk it. Let's check it out. This section, it's on the construction because they're building a giant building next to it that's probably gonna incorporate this space, but there's a little idea of some benches. It's kind of, and this area is probably not actually, there's probably no roof on this regularly.
Yeah.
Just because of construction of these crazy ass buildings. So this is pretty much all open. And the trees will grow and get bigger and it'll be wild. So that crazy sculpture looking building that's basically back there. Actually, look at it. If you look at the cutout, it actually blends into the drawing. You kind of see where the construction is. That it's gonna look like that. Got about a year. I mean, wild. This building was actually here when there was a freight train going by. You can tell the brick building right there to your left. Probably that red and that brown building further down. Yeah. All these were buildings here while this was an active freight train. Wild.
Especially
Wow.
like these windows right
here. Suzi taking a picture of me, taking a picture of her. I'm taking a picture. Yeah, we're about halfway down the greenway right now. Just wild building. It's crazy design on the side. There's a train track. There's a tree. How's the train get by?
Magic.
Stop. Go around. Maybe Nola helps him.
Take a picture of Nola's friend.
Besides, we haven't seen her yet. Iron. Interesting. There's a window here. They're like hanging over the street right now. Hanging over the street. This is they're hanging over it. They're looking straight down to Midtown. Wild.
Wild.
Oh, okay. Yeah. People are selling some beverages and food. We're walking under an old building right now. The train tracks used to run through. Wow. Oh, look, it's New Jersey over there, all the buildings. There's Pedro. Oh, Power, not Pedro. Oh, that's why. We go to eat. Chicken Botana.
Look at that wall.
Alright, we are at stop number 2 for the day. We are going to the Freedom Tower, which seems very appropriate because today is Independence Day. And the Freedom Tower is 1,776 feet high, which is the year of our independence, 1776. And it's 4th of July, and it's Elma's birthday, who's not American. She's an immigrant.
Happy birthday, Elma.
So it has no significance to her whatsoever.
No.
She just thought she just thought she had fireworks on her birthday every day.
And everybody celebrated.
Yeah, she doesn't understand why. But yes, we were here in what was what the Ground Zero, but now is a beautiful memorial park. Let's check it out. This is the building. 1,776 feet. Tallest building in New York. And tallest building in the United States. I believe it's taller than the Sears Tower. Don't quote me on this, but I believe it is. After construction. And to your left is the 9/11 Memorial. I believe it's the 9/11 Museum. Freaking cool that is. The architecture. And we got these cool little cargo boxes here as well. Well, that last part of the video was the 9/11 Memorial, the museum in the background. We are now heading up to the tallest building in the United States. It's gonna be wild.
Real wild.
Suzi's gonna bungee jump off of it.
No.
It's gonna be crazy.
Nope.
Isn't it weird we have to go down to go up?
Huh?
Isn't it weird you have to go down to go up?
I know.
To go walk into a cave. I was getting hassled because of my Red Sox stuff.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm in Disney World.
You've done this before?
Yes. Once.
Welcome to One World Observatory.
Hazy days. Just looking uptown, you can barely see the Empire State Building.
Yeah.
Smile.
Statue of Liberty.
Better view of the frickin' bridge right there.
Yeah, that's there.
There it is right there. Speaking of Statue of Liberty, you can barely see it in the haze, but that is the Lady Liberty on the 4th of July. It's from the tallest building in the Western Hemisphere. Wild. Better view of Statue of Liberty and there's Ellis Island zoomed in. Actually, it's pretty good zoom. Statue of Liberty. And then New Jersey. Lots of New Jersey. Yeah, I think so. Look at that. We're above the helicopter. Alright, we are on for our third adventure today. We're going to take the tram, Sky Tram, to Roosevelt Island.
Yay!
Another thing we have not done yet in the city that we're going to do first today. I'm going to tell you how it's like.
Whoop whoop!
It's going to be wild.
It's hot.
It is hot. It's very muggy, very humid, but we'll get through this. There's the tram right there. Alright, let's check this motherfucker out. There's the gondolas over there. This is gonna be interesting. Also, we want to add, we've walked over about 9 miles so far today.
Yeah.
Eat your heart out, Paloba. Joey, aka Doubleback. Here we go. Ronald. Alright, so the gondola is going to be coming in from here. We're going to go over here, over the East River. I think that's the 59th Street Bridge, right there. And then we're going to go to Roosevelt Island. Do you know who Fez from Rotten Fez is?
Huh?
You know who Fez from Rotten Fez is?
No.
He's like on a radio show. He lives in Roosevelt Island.
Pin a rose on his nose.
The Daily Woo's meeting us there.
Słuchaj, to tak samo stabilizowy. To jest coś lepszego, lepsze. To jest
We're crammed in, there's no air conditioning, and we're about to go on an experience. We might lose 10 pounds because of sweat. It's very hot. Well, we took the tram. We're on Roosevelt Island. Suzi's having some ankle technical difficulties. It was very, very hot inside the tram car, so I'd advise them anyway.
Swollen.
Oh, it looks like a little. Not too bad.
I hurt my ankle.
She hurt her ankle. She's wearing sandals while running a 10K. But, anyways.
I should have listened to this guy.
So we're at Roosevelt Island right now. If you're gonna take the tram, make sure it's not on a hot, humid day like today because it does not have air conditioning on it. So you're gonna sweat. And they pack you in like sardines.
Stinky, sweaty people.
Yes, not the most cleanliness of everything. But we are...
Big, gross,
Yeah.
smelly.
Alright, I think they get the picture.
Yeah.
We are now heading to Coney Island via subway, not tram, of course, because it's just a lot more convenient that way. So we'll see you in Coney Island. Well, we made it to our next destination, Coney Island. It only took us an hour on the train.
That was a long train ride.
Oh my God. Sue's an ankle short of a good time. And
It hurts. It's screwed up.
we're here.
It stinks.
It smells like hot dogs.
And
Lots of hot dogs.
Trash.
Hot trash and hot dogs. Happy 4th of July. This is the stage where they had the hot dog eating contest about 2 hours ago. So people are all standing right there. So you wouldn't even be able to get off the train. It's crazy. Hall of Fame. There's this wild roller coaster over here. Got another wild roller coaster over here. The beach is straight ahead. Another wild roller coaster over there. The White Castle. You like White Castle?
No.
Crystals is where you usually go, right?
Yeah.
The White Castle of itself. This is the beach in Coney Island, yeah. I'd say easily tens of thousands of people here today. Cyclone. finally did it. You're like in a rap music video.
Huh?
Here's the ride we came down for. It's one of the oldest roller coasters in the country. Old wooden roller coaster called Sky Tram. The line's not cool. Alright, Suzi, wanna go?
Ready.
Let's do it.
Ride.
Back in Manhattan, I survived the cyclone and the shenanigans at Coney Island. Some weirdos there, huh?
Big weirdos.
Now we're at the final stop of the day. We're gonna grab some dinner and some drinks on the water and then head back in a few hours. Hopefully Sue still has both her feet. At this point we've walked 11 miles, give or take.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's been an exhausting day. Sleep like a baby on the train, hopefully. I mean on the bus.
Oh yeah.
Hopefully, we'll see. This is where we're headed. Oh, those boats or piers over there in that area. On the Hudson. Nice little breeze, a lot cooler than earlier today. Not as muggy. Nice. Boston does, I don't know about New York. So we're just chilling here on this boat that's a bar. And every once in a while you see this, a helicopter just land in the heliport. And we're trying to figure out who's in the plane. I mean helicopter, not a plane. Beautiful river view. Sitting here, this beautiful view. But there's one problem about this river view. Can you tell us what happened?
Well, if you notice, behind me, there's no one congregating
Yes.
to watch the fireworks.
And there's no boats or barges out there.
Boats,
Yeah,
there's no nothing.
nothing.
So we're sitting on the Hudson River.
Yes,
And the fireworks are taking place on the East River.
that'd be the river on the other side of the
Yes.
island, right?
So we are in the wrong spot.
Yes. We got a great view of helicopters all night and a lovely sunset, if I would like to say myself. No fireworks. The fireworks will be over these buildings over there. There's the Freedom Tower in the back. Below Manhattan. How we end our day. Again at the building we started our day. So that was an interesting start for the adventure.
Look at that red building.
That is the self station. That's where we're going. Isn't so? It is hot. I'm sweating. She is. She made it.
Made it.
On our adventure.
I have heartburn.
Yeah, shit. It's starting to get muggy already. It's like probably 80 degrees at this point. It's a big boat.
Very big boat.
It's the USS Intrepid. Well, after 3 attempts, we finally made it up here.
Thank God.
Crazy ass buildings. It's pretty much all open. And the trees will grow and get bigger. That crazy sculpture looking building. Besides, you haven't seen it yet. She just thought
birthday.
she just thought she had fireworks on her birthday every day.
And everybody celebrated
Yeah,
her
she
birthday.
doesn't understand why. This is the building. 1,000. It's gonna be wild.
Real wild.
Suzi's gonna bungee jump off of it.
No.
gonna take the tram, Sky Tram, to Roosevelt Island.
Yay!
Another thing we have not done yet in the city. There we go. Mile so far today.
Yeah.
Eat your heart out, Baloba. Joey, aka Doubleback.
Over the East River. That's the 59th Street. You know who Fez from Rotten Fez's?
Huh?
You know who Fez from Rotten Fez's?
No.
He's like a...
We're crammed in, there's no air conditioning, and we're about to go on an experience. We might lose 10. Have air conditioner, so you're gonna sweat. And
It hurts.
Crystals is where you usually go, right?
Yeah.
The White Castle of itself.
you can't even move. The beach is packed. The beach is like peppered.
Like in a rap music video.
Alright, Suzi, wanna go? Cyclone and the shenanigans.
That'd be the river on the other side of the
Yes.
island, right?
So we are in the wrong spot.
The Wicked Explorers of Arty 84 and Suzi J is brought to you by thepacky.com. Check out thepacky.com.